Namaskar, greetings and gratitude. I welcome you all to the Inspirational Star Talks episode number 51. And today, on the hot seat with me is Dr. Samrat Topadar. Good morning, Doctor.
Good morning.
Welcome to Star Talks.
Good morning, ma'am.
Dr. Samrat Topadar is an advocate, legal and corporate counsel, corporate strategic planning expert. He is a legal corporate consultant having 20 years of experience. He has done Senior Leadership Certificate from Indian Institute of Management, Vishakhapatnam, and learning at Advanced Strategic Leadership at IIT Delhi. He is a BSc, LLB, LLM, PhD, MBA, writer of 6 books, and he is involved from 32 years with public relations and public service. He is attached with many PSUs, public sectors, and government undertakings. He is the founder of Bengal Rajiv and Swami Vivekanand Youth Center and Barakpur Vivek Mela. That is so wonderful. That is so
Thank you.
wonderful.
Thank you so much. Will I take this opportunity to thank you, Dr. Futela, to invite me to your one of the famous Star Talk shows. It is great indeed, a great honor for me, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm honored. My pleasure. Thank you. Thank you so much. Dr. Samrat, you are in public life for last 32 years. So what's your experience?
Experience is bitter. In public life, you have to do something for your uh, to your society. Ma'am, I strongly believe that public life is one thing which you have to involve the one word unity in diversity. Whenever you are presenting a society, whenever you are presenting or giving yourself in the for public life, you must be loyal to the public, you must be honest to the public, you must, whatever the commitment you are doing, whatever the commitment you have make, you have to fulfill all the commitment. Because nowadays public life is become a because we are not one, our professional people doesn't want to involve themselves in the public life. It is because of uh, the mandate which we have given to some politicians in their particular field. We have elected our representative in the particular field, we are chosen, and it is only the one day in the part of our democracy. It is in the one day when when a waiter in the restaurant we can able to cast their vote for the democracy, and that on that particular day we all are same. You are also having one able to cast one vote, and Rashtrapati ji is also able to cast one vote. That is the unique of our democracy. And it is very much unfortunate that we are not able to produce Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Our society is not able to give Khudiram Bose, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, or Abdul Kalam Azad. We are not able to give the potential leaders, those who are having the values of their life. We are not able to produce them. Why it is happening? Because we are very much focused upon our professional life. We don't want to, neither we want to allow our daughters or son to be a part in politics. If this has been think by Netaji's mother or Jawaharlal Nehru's mother or Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's mother, what will happen? What will happen? We are saying that politics is dirty things. We are saying that politics is dirty thing, but we never going to promote somebody else who want to do something for the society. We never promote such people. In your Delhi area, when Dr. Manmohan Singh has contested the election, but unfortunately he doesn't got the huge mandate. He lost the election. This is the changes of the politics. We are not able to. We want to do something for our society. Yes, in our corporate sector there are CSR is there, but that will also come through a representative only. You can you can implement to the representative. What I learned from my leaders in the early 90s, that politics is a part of social service. What is politics is never a part of your professional life. But ma'am, now the thinking is changing. Now from the fantastic universities, the scholars are coming in the politics, and they make the politics as a profession. When you make the politics as a profession, then certainly corruption will come. That's I say. But I honestly saying, for the last 32 years, I try to do whatever is possible through my Bengal Swami Vivekananda and Youth Center, some charity works. Certainly, there is a festival in the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda from 8th to 14th January. It's a huge gathering, and it's a Mela, means a festival type organization is there. I also invited this time to invite you to come and see the how the involve has in how the people are involved in that particular event. So my line is very clear. My line is only that Vasudeva Kutumbakam is our uh, uh, slogan. Vasudeva Kutumbakam is our slogan. Unity is diversity is our slogan. So the slogan will be only value if when you implement those slogan in a reality things.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, Dr. Samrat, what inspired you to pursue a career in law? And what have
So what
been
you
some
what
of
you what you
the
what you what you what you what you think about what is law? What is law? Law is not just about arguing your case, ma'am. It is not about to arguing anything. Just suppose I am arguing with you. It is mean a law. No, madam. It is about using your skill to make a positive impact on society. Being an advocate for justice, a protector of human rights, and a voice of those who cannot speak up for themselves. The field of law is vast, and there are many areas of specializations. But my desire to comprehend and preserve the values of justice and equality motivated me to pursue a career in law.
what are the some of the significant challenges that you have faced?
Challenges are there. Every profession, man, there are the challenges are there. But be cool in your mind and just strategize the challenges. Every from morning to night in our daily life, we are facing the challenges. So whenever you face the challenges, you keep it your mind, sit in a sit a while and think why these challenges are coming. If you think one, two, three, and four times, and that will come from the rhythm of your heart, not a practical thing. So challenges may be many ways. Challenges are in a many way. But if you want to solve these challenges in a particular strategic manner, so it will be solved. Three things are there. Three things are there in your life. If you can implement these things in the uh, uh, time of law councils, it will be good for you. Three are trust of guts, maintain your curiosity, and never stop learning. Never stop learning. Learning is a continuous process of your life. We all here, ma'am, we are having our properties, we are having our gold, we are having our silver, we are having our big monies in the bank, but we not able to take it when we are going heaven or hell. But only the learning process. Whatever you learn, that is absolutely for you. That is absolutely for you. You just become a good, and the people will remember for your thoughts and for your ethics and for your ideology, not for your property, not for your other things.
Absolutely. You're a writer of 6 books. And how did this happen?
No, no, actually, outside of the courtroom or my family, I love to write books. These books are about basically about the leaderships, our society. personal development is also there. One biography of two leaders, and there are some um, historical events are there, and the people who are now becoming icon of our society, the leaders who is becoming icon leader of our society, how they have started with their journey and how they have focused strategy their strategy. Madam, leaders is not we are we I particularly I say I'm a leader, but it is valueless. When the people said you are a leader, that time it is a value. Leaders, ma'am, always create leaders. Leaders never create himself or his family. Today's his conception is changing. Leaders are only protecting their own family. Leaders are only protecting their house, son, but not bothered about protecting the society. The leaders are only who create leaders. Leaders are always who create leaders. So I believe in that. And the leaders who created the leaders in our society and focus their ideologies, focus their strategic planning, and the long-term vision, I remember them as a leader. And all these six books are just a reflection of what I'm saying to you.
Wonderful. That is so wonderful. Yes. So, how do you keep your cool under pressure?
Feeling cool is very difficult, ma'am. Very frankly speaking.
Okay.
So whenever the pressure is came, it is I'm saying personally these things to you, ma'am. I'm just sharing personal my views to you. Whenever in my house, in my residence, there is a big pictures of my father and mom and my uh, Guruji Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahansa. I have 3 4 photos over there. I just literally go there and sit and praying for whatever, if I can make any mistake. Ma'am, mistakes is happening everywhere. Suppose whenever I am discussing about you, some word may be not good for you. So that is also a mistake. So mistake is a part of life. Failure will be give more importance of a past person. Suppose in a particular class, if you not get a less marks, then only suppose you failed in examination. So you can find the happiness when you pass the next year. Failure and failure give you good, consistent experience in passing out. So I just go and sit for a while for 15 20 minutes. Even I even visited Dakshineshwar temple, which is very near to my, and Belur Math, which is a headquarter of Swami Vivekananda Ramakrishna Mission. So you can think about yourself concentrating my pressure, what is there, and uh, there will be, ma'am, in every aspects, ma'am, there will be a what you say, there will be one dimension of your life, what you want to achieve. One pressure will come. The pressure only come when you are not in a particular in a good way, or your way is not good, your approach is not good. Then only you come up with one pressures. And there is no medicine in pressure, ma'am. There is no medicine. If you are not able to sleep well in the night, you can take a medicine. But to overcome your pressure, it's only to concentrate. And I supposed to do each and every day in my daily life, that whenever the time when I am going to bed, I pray for God, sir, that I am thankful that today I have alive. If I do any mistake, then please forgive me. And I am thankful that you give me alive till today. I don't know what tomorrow is happening. If you think like that, the pressure will automatically go. We are not going. We are all a busy person, but our uh, pressure is only uh, goes down whenever you want that Suppose what's happened now, I'm just sharing one thing. uh, Suppose I'm moving with my car to anybody place, and my wife has told me, see that it's a big car is going and our car is small, that car is big. Suddenly I told Chaitali, look, that person who is sitting on the bridge, who is begging. God has given us good opportunity in the life. They are also human beings, but they are begging for food, for leave, for daily life. But we are taking good clothes. We are having good. Children are doing good in schools. एसी लेके सोते हैं, अच्छा गाड़ी में चलते हैं, तो उनसे तो बेहतर जिंदगी हमारा है, उनसे तो बेहतर जिंदगी हमारा है. अगर हम ऐसा करके हम अपने को देखें कि जो सबसे घर का सामने वाला जो है आपका, उससे तो हम बेहतर है, तभी आपका जीवन में कोई फ्रस्ट्रेशन भी नहीं आएगा, कोई प्रेशर भी नहीं आएगा.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. What is that one piece of advice you would like to give to your younger self starting out in law?
I told you, my advice is uh, be professional, be loyal to your customers, try and try and try, you will get success. Never cheat anybody else. Whatever is possible for you, you tell the client very frankly. They will understand your difficulties also. They are also human men. Because whenever a client is come to your place, to your chamber, they are very much worried about their future. Don't try to play with their future. Never. That is not a professional. Suppose I say lies to the customers and taking money, they will not do anything for us. But one people is there, one man is there saying from the top what you are doing, what you are doing. So be loyal to your profession, be sincere to your profession, and whenever you are going to place any case to the court, or whenever whatever the task you are going to place, be sure of your strategy. Think about your strategy. And this is only one life, and there is only one chance. And in this one life and one chance theory, you have to become a one. And there is a racing is going on in the society. And if you want to become a one, then you must be extraordinary than others.
Very beautifully you've said that. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. What do you think is the biggest misconception about lawyers or the legal profession?
Misconceptions is there also. This is our dishonesty, malpractice are the main objectives of your questions, main part of your question. Suppose I am, as a consultant, I am taking a money from you, even in my life also. See, when a person came to the chamber and told me about the story, about what has happened, and he want to lodge a complaint to the court, in the first day, I can able to understand whether she is saying lie or she is saying true. With the conversation, I can understand. But it is my responsibility to accept whether I go with the lies or whether I go with the truths. It is up to you. If you goes with the lies, suppose if he goes with the lies, you have to give the result to him. But in my case, I never go with the lies, because I go for this 498 cases. I never. Okay, आपको गलती हुआ है या आपको fraud हो गया है, God also give you one chance for your mistake. But if I can give in my life, I never done in such cases. Suppose I done less case, but the true kiss.
Wonderful, wonderful. Now, coming out of all of this, tell us something about your interests and hobbies.
Hobbies are many things. As we are a part of IIT Delhi students, you find
Yes,
me. My
yes,
hobbies is to interact with the people, because if you can interact with the people, you can find more and more experience in your life. Suppose whenever you share extraordinary speeches in the class, I can share from you, and whenever I can use uh, speeches, or I can share my thoughts to you, you can find a experience from me. So it's a learning process. I am very much interested in a continuous learning process, because it will help, not only help me, but I can share this my thoughts to the community also. I little bit very much my hobbies, if you can ask, traveling, because if you can travel throughout the world, I already covered more than 21 countries, 21 countries. So that is fantastic, because their culture, not only go and see the roads and historical traits, I try to adapt their culture also. What is their culture saying? Because each and every countries are having different culture, different society. But all of them, if I can understand their culture, their society, that is also part of your life achievement, part of your life. And other thing is writing a books, just to share my thoughts. Whatever I am, suppose I am discussing these things to you, that will be a write up manner, that is called books. So share your thoughts, ideology, because I think that a person may die today or tomorrow, but their ideology and ethics never died. Never died. You cannot kill the ideology and ethics. Never. So certainly, traveling, and certainly to watching cricket is my good things. Okay. And another thing is that I am uh, very much whenever I got time, uh, to chatting with the common people, chatting with the common people. Suppose I go to the slum area, uh, and meet with the people, try to understand their problems, what is their problems, and if we can do anything for them through your CSR projects, with the CSR and everything. And there are people, madam, I'm very honestly saying, there are many people, those who want to do something for the society from our corporate sector also, but they are not getting the ways, because uh, CSR may be done through the government, because you have to go through the CSR project through the government. But what's happened, when we are giving you the money just to relieve from some taxes is not your, that will be not one of your stand to get relief from the income tax. What will be you are giving, that will be that is implemented in the field or not, that is most important. So whenever I'm going to chat with these people around, I can understand their problems also, and they are genuine problems. रोड ठीक नहीं है, पानी नहीं आता है, बिजली नहीं आता है, घर का छत फटा हुआ है. So these are the genuine problems. And let us come all the corporate sector, that government can't do anything alone, because we are so the big countries, and there are many caste, many religious, many culture is there. So a government can't do anything. But suppose if we can come forward and take a oath of ourselves that we can do this particular, एक एक जगह लीजिए, एक एक जगह लीजिए जो को हम अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं. We are the representative of the government. We are a common plan. We are electing the government, so we are the representative of government. Let us do something which will be beneficial to the society.
wonderful, wonderful thoughts, I must say, Dr. Samrat. So nice of you coming to the Star Talks, and we had a lovely conversation and got to know so many insights from you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am. I very much appreciate your understanding also to invite me in your Star Talks. And I wish your Star Talk, this program, to miles and miles to go. And from my heartiest greetings to you and your total team. Thank you so much.
thank you. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my dear audience, for being with us in this lovely conversation today. And on Wednesday, I will come back again with another personality who has inspired my life. Thank you. Good day.